Hey, I'm glad you're here. Remember when I made a video a couple of videos ago about creating a space for these guys and these guys? Well, I was calling it the butterfly haven for the zebra longwings and the golf fritillaries. Y'all, I thought of the best name. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Because you're not going to be able to stand it. Ready? The Maypop Mansion. Is that not fabulous? All right, so remember how I told you I was going to get the Maypop growing up the side, but I never did show it in that video? We're going to do it now. So here are two trellises. I think I have another small one. I'm going to stick there, and then I'm going to get the potting soil and fill it in. Isn't that lovely? So now we're going to go wander around the garden and find little chunks of Maypop incense that's coming up and pluck them up and put them in here. Now I have to remember where I saw the little clumps of Maypop coming up. Like I know there's one right here. Oh my. Well, I thought there was one right here, but apparently it's running all the way back here. Okay, I got the root of it. I've got one right here. If I go down to the very base of it and pull straight out, I can't try and bend it because it'll break. It breaks, snaps very easily. So just want to grip it and pull it straight out. And then I'll get the root base. Since I put that fresh potting soil in there, it's very easy to just tuck down into the soil. Just poke it right in. Just pulled another one out. That's a nice one. I found two more trellis pieces on the other side of my garden I've forgotten about. So I put them along there too. So now there's kind of like trellis all the way across. Yeah, they're all different looking, but it doesn't matter because it's going to be covered with Maypop. So I've got one on the end here and I put one in the middle that'll kind of support the two taller ones. And I'm just going to look around, see if I can find some more pieces of Maypop to put in there. And we're gonna water it all in. This is gonna be incredible, y'all. It's gonna be incredible. Huh, Ray? What do you think? Is it gonna be incredible? Look at these two I just got. These ones are really good. Look at this one. Look at the little roots coming out of it. That's a good one. I got that one too. Can you even imagine what this is going to look like coming around the bend and seeing that full thing covered with Maypop? It's going to be a wall of green. I'm so excited. I hope it works out. Let me show you a couple things. You can see this one. This is my old one, and it comes all the way up, and it's growing up and on the top. And then it's got some branches that are coming back down. But I really want it to cover the whole thing. So I'm going to regularly check and make sure I'm weaving this throughout the trellis pieces. So this lower area will be dense before it wants to just be one little vine going up to the top. I hope that makes sense. You see if I can peek the camera around so you can see the top. I'm so excited about this. All right, let's water it in. And you know, as I'm out here gardening, whenever I find a little Maypop coming up, I can just pluck it up and just stick it in there. Mm-hmm. Let's go sit in the Maypop mansion, shall we? So I think now that we have the exterior design, what am I going to do with the interior? There are some pots of Maypop in here, but it's pretty much open for suggestions. Any ideas? Any ideas? What could I do inside? Well, a couple things we got to remember is it's going to be shady because it's going to be overgrown with the Maypop. So I don't know. Let's think of something interesting and let me know what you think in the comments. Meanwhile, while you're here and we're just chatting, take a moment and tap the like button. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe and let me know what the interior design should be in the Maypop mansion. And I'll see you in the next video. That tongue is always sticking out, little man.